The Hereafter 19. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4308, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that he is the first person to intercede and the first person whose intercession will be accepted by Allah, the Exalted, on Judgment Day. A Muslim should therefore strive to make themselves worthy of the intercession of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by performing the actions which result in this, such as supplicating for it after hearing the call to prayer. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 679. But this would require one to regularly attend the obligatory prayers at a mosque, instead of offering them at home. The greatest action which will result in the intercession is learning and acting on the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. A Muslim should not live in heedlessness by rejecting this duty, and then expect intercession on Judgment Day, as this is closer to wishful thinking, which is blameworthy and of no real value, compared to true hope in the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. Unfortunately, some Muslims who have adopted this wishful thinking expect to obtain paradise through this intercession, even though they do not obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. These Muslims must realize that even though the intercession is a fact, some Muslims who will have their punishment reduced through intercession will still enter hell. Even a single moment in hell is truly unbearable. So one should abandon wishful thinking and instead adopt true hope by practically striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him. In addition, the Muslim who persists on the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, and assumes they will be saved by this intercession must accept the reality that, due to their disobedience and mocking attitude, they may not even leave this world with their faith. Therefore, this Muslim must be more concerned with dying as a Muslim than receiving this intercession on Judgment Day, which is only reserved for Muslims.